Hi, Year 11, Mrs Hedley here. Hope you're all right. I'm in Mr Innes's room. I'm in school today. And I just thought I'd do a bit of an assembly. So it's an interesting date today, the 9th of July, for a couple of reasons. It should have been our prom, but obviously it's not. And well, we all know it's all been very weird, all this situation for you, darlings, and it's the same for everybody in the country, but it doesn't make it any better. So I've just wanted to do an assembly because I wanted to just reassure many of you, is that prom has not been cancelled, it has merely been postponed. Now then, I would like to have it in 2020 at Christmas, but at the present time still, the government speculates that gatherings of over 30 people are not allowed. And we might have a few more than 30 for prom. So we have to wait until we're allowed 200 plus to have a gathering and a party, all right? At the moment, there's no singing, no dancing, all that. Well, that's not going to happen. So we need to wait until that. So I have not, and I am unable to book a specific date until guidelines and restrictions have eased a little bit. So bear with me on that. So can I just say, if you need to pay for your dresses and you need to do whatever you need to do, book your nail appointments in, you can't give a date, but it's, prom is going ahead, I promise you. And if it's not in 2020, it will be in 2021, and we will still have the class of 2020 balloons up. So don't worry about that. I can sort that. Okay, so that's my first thing about prom to reassure you. Okay, prom. Right, leavers assembly. Similar thing, guys. Again, I'm not allowed to have 220 plus in the assembly hall to have a really nice assembly, and I'm sure that's what you deserve, and we need to have a laugh and celebrate your years here at Netherwood. So I will let you know a date when I am allowed to have more than 200 people in the building. Do you see? And it is difficult, and we can't give a date, and we can't certainly say even September yet, can we? But that will go ahead. I promise you. I promise you when I saw you for the last time, and I promise you today on the 9th of July. All right, so that's leavers assembly. Hoodies, I've had some questions about hoodies. William Gibbs is in charge of that. I think it's all gone ahead. The orders have gone, the payments have gone. And when those hoodies get to school, we will let you know. All right, so bear with that one. Okay. My final one is results day. Now, GCSE results come out on the 20th of August. That date will remain the same. However, ladies and gentlemen, as I'm sure you realise, we will have to organise that day. It'll be very specific instructions for you to. Not everybody will be allowed in the building, so that there will be specific times and all that will be organised. So results will be out the 20th, but we will let you know over the next couple of weeks exactly how you're going to somehow get your results from school, because it's important that you come into school and you sign to say you've received your results, and that's really important. Okay, and I think that's all really. 9th of July. I said the 9th of July was important because in a month's time I'm 50 years old, which I'm just starting to get my head round. Difficult, as I know, but yeah, so that's something to look forward to in a month. And of course, there's no parties, no celebrations, because we can't really do much, can we? Other than have a few people around for a few burgers in the garden, which I hadn't really got in mind to celebrate my 50th birthday. I fancied going, having a bit of a big old birthday bash, because I didn't do anything for my 40th, so I was looking forward to it. But never mind, it sounds as if I'm complaining. I'm not. In the scheme of things, that's nothing about celebrating a birthday, is it, guys? All right, so celebrations. Yes, we're having a prom. Yes, we'll have a leavers assembly. All right, I promise you all that.